just parked up. And we're on another little adventure. Cyffin?
I don't know.
We're in Cyffin Bryn.
No idea.
My Welsh is amazing. Bore da, bore da, bore da.
Oh, where are we? Are we in Wales?
We are in Wales.
Oh.
We're very near Oxwich.
Just outside Swans.
Yes. And we're heading for Three Cliffs Bay. It's supposed to be one of the best beaches in South Wales. We added it to our list of beaches to visit on our little road trip.
That's either keep out or welcome.
I'd like to think welcome.
They're not friendly.
Oh.
I think it's welcome.
Or please knock. Or no cold callers. This bay where we're heading to is protected and you can't drive down to it, you can only get to it by foot. It's about a 20-minute walk, I'm sure that's what I read.
Probably.
Yeah, it's about a 20-minute walk, but because we're so fast, we're there in 10. To 10 in the morning. It's pleasantly warm with a light breeze. There's your weather forecast with Simon. This is Oxwich Bay, and last night we stayed at the hotel at the very end of the beach there. It's very nice, perfect location, wasn't it?
It was lovely to wake up to see the sunrise through our window over the sea.
It's gorgeous.
Beautiful.
There's our hotel. No, it's not. There's our hotel.
There's only one.
That's where we stayed. But we're on the move, travelling to new places that we can't pronounce.
So,
Where we're heading for?
we're going to head down here
Uh-huh.
to Barafundle Bay.
Barafundle.
Then I think we might just carry on walking till we
Okay.
get fed up. And then if we get there, we could go all the way around the fish ponds and all the way back round, or we just walk back.
See how we do.
See how we do. But we're here for the day now.
Barafundle Bay.
Barafundle Bay.
Wants to take a photograph of me. You want to take a photograph of me? She keeps wanting me to stand backwards. And I think the sea's coming in as well. How mean!